How to master the Spanish past tenses. We want to offer you a helpful overview of how to master the Spanish past tenses.
We are Seisonte.
Of course, there are more than 3 different past tenses in the Spanish language. But the 3 most important past tenses that you need to know as a beginner or intermediate speaker are the Spanish preterite,
El pretérito perfecto simple o pretérito indefinido.
the Spanish present perfect,
Pretérito perfecto.
and the Spanish imperfect.
El pretérito imperfecto.
So when do you use them? Can you imagine the situation you are talking about in a photo? If the answer is yes, then you'll likely have to use the Spanish imperfect.
Cuando yo era joven, siempre andábamos a la escuela a pie.
When I was young, we always walked to school. You use the Spanish imperfect, emphasize the process or the habitual repetition of an action in the past. If the answer is no, you need to use a different past tense in Spanish. Ask yourself, is the situation I am talking about related to the moment I am talking? Then you often use the Spanish present perfect. Typical words that indicate the use of the present perfect in Spanish are,
Nunca. Todavía. Ya.
for example,
Nunca he estado en El Salvador.
I have never been in El Salvador. As you can see, the present perfect in English is similar to that in Spanish. In this case, the speaker has never been to El Salvador until this moment. If the answer is no and the action is unrelated to the moment you are talking, you should consider using the Spanish preterite. We use the Spanish preterite for completed past actions, facts, or general truths in the past.
Ayer comí tacos.
Yesterday I ate tacos. The action is limited, and also, there are some words that always trigger the Spanish preterite. For example,
Ayer. Anoche. En 2022. Hace 6 años.
it's important to mention that the people in Latin America use the Spanish preterite way more often than in Spain. So in many cases, you are fine using the Spanish preterite instead of the Spanish present perfect. We hope you like the video. Please leave us a comment below. On our website, you can find even more practical tips and exercises to improve your Spanish.
We are Seisonte.